I'm going to teach you guys how to play Perfume by Mehro. Oh. Quick announcement. I just started the YouTube membership thing, so if you guys want to support one of your favorite creators, myself, and you want to get some badges, some special emojis that only the members can use, and of course, in this section of the video right now where I'm announcing this, there will be shoutouts of all the members. It's only, I think, $3 for the first one, and then if you want to get even more perks, you do the second tier, and you can get early access to videos, you get priority on the comments, so then I see your comments first and respond to them first, and always respond to them. And yeah, you're just showing support to me, so if you want to do that, go ahead and go down and join and become a member of this channel, and yeah, it'll be thanks to you that this channel keeps on going. And if the first tier is a little too much, I think it's like $3 a month or something like that, you can always go to my Patreon, and the first tier is only $1. So for all the people that join here or on Patreon, they will get shout outs at the beginning of every video, right after the intro, kind of like where I'm announcing this right now. So yeah, go do that. So if you want to learn to play Perfume by Mehro, make sure you get your ukulele, make sure it's in tune. GCEA, standard tuning as usual. And yeah, let's go ahead and get to it. I'm going to be doing a play along video for this song too, so if you want to see how I play it and play along with the chords popping up on the screen, I will do that for you in the next video. So yeah, also if you want to see the cover I did of this song, the link's in the description. It'll probably pop up right here or something, so yeah. All right, so we're going to start with the verses because that's how he starts his song. The first chord is a D. It's a basic chord, so you should know it, but if you don't, it is these top 3 strings on the 2nd fret. So I like to just put my pointer finger on the top, middle finger 2nd, and my ring finger on the 3rd. And that's a D. The next chord is an F sharp minor, which is your ring finger on the top string 2nd fret, your pointer finger on the 2nd string 1st fret, and your ring finger on the 3rd string 2nd fret. The chord after that is a B minor, which is this 2nd fret, barred, and then I like to put my ring finger on this top string 2nd fret from the bar. B minor, and then we go back to F sharp minor, and then the final chord is an A, so just take this ring finger up and leave these 2 on those strings, and that is an A. All the chord charts are here as usual though, so if you want to see what it looks like, it's that. So for the verses, all together, it's D, F sharp minor, B minor, F sharp minor, and A. And guess what, guys? It's the same thing for the chorus. So for the whole song, you just play that except for the bridge. But we will get there when we get to the bridge. So let's go ahead and figure out the strumming pattern for the verses and the chorus. All right, so for the verses and the chorus, and also the bridge, the strumming pattern is the same. It is a down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. And you do that just one time on each chord, except for the F sharp minor and the A, it'll switch up. But let me just show you guys what it sounds like. So for the D, the first chord, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, F sharp minor, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then B minor, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then this is where it changes, the F sharp minor, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. So for the F sharp minor and the A at the end, it's just down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Just one time on each, no up, down, up afterwards. Does that make sense? All the rest, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then F sharp minor and A, just down, down, up, down, up. Right. Let's get to the bridge. So for the bridge, the first chord is a G. So what you do is your middle finger on the bottom string, 2nd fret, your ring finger on the 3rd string, 3rd fret, and your pointer finger on the 2nd string, 2nd fret. G. The chord after that is an A, which we did in the verse and chorus. And then the chord after that is a D, which we also did in the verse and chorus. And then it's just that same pattern throughout. You do each one twice, so then it goes back to G, back to A, and then back to D. The strumming pattern for the bridge is down, down, up on G, down, down, up on A, and then down, down, up, down, up on D. Then you go back to G, down, down, up, and then down, down, up on A. And then when you get to that last D, it goes back into the part where it goes. Okay, so let's go ahead and play this song. The present is so unsatisfying. I wish I was materialistic, excited for the future unfolding. Thank God I'm not realistic. Heels overhead in the bedroom. You smell so good, don't need perfume. I'm the tulip, you're the spring bloom. I'd be a fool not to love you. It don't ever change. Stay the same, stay the same. That's the last thing I said to you. I hope that little tutorial helped you guys learn how to play Perfume by Mehro. It's a really awesome song. He's really underrated, like I said in the last tutorial. Go listen to his music. Hope this helps you guys learn how to play it. See you guys. A creature with two heads, sleeping in two beds. Is it sweet?